Hello everyone. In this video I'll be sharing with you this very yummy salmon fish salad recipe I eat to help me stay healthy and in shape. If you want to stay healthy without gaining a lot of weight, these are the kinds of meals you want to go for. Very yummy, will help cleanse you, nourish your system, but with less calories. Plus fish is very healthy if you're looking to stay healthy and in shape. So if you don't have salmon, you can replace with any other fish of your choice, but I'll be using salmon. Salmons are very healthy if you want to stay healthy and in shape, most especially. So in order to come up with this recipe, the first ingredient I'll be using will be garlic. So that is 1 teaspoon of garlic. I'll be using paprika. I'll be using black pepper. I'll leave the measurements at my description if you want to try this recipe. I'll be using black pepper. I'll be using chicken spice, which is kind of like cube, like Maggi cube. It gives that taste. I'll be using basil spice too. You can use the fresh if you don't have the dry. I'll be using dry basil. So depending on your choice, you can use your own spice that you like. I'll be adding a little bit of cayenne pepper for that kind of, that hot African kind of flavor taste. So I'll be adding cayenne pepper, and I'll be using a little bit of olive oil to get these ingredients get into my fish, so it really tastes so good in the mouth. So try this recipe plus these ingredients, and trust me, you will love this salmon. So what you want to do is to mix up your ingredients so well in the oil before you marinate your fish with it. So this is it. As I mentioned, you can use your own ingredients you like more, but these are the best. I don't like to over season my salmon because they taste good naturally. Fish tastes good naturally. So you want to like get your spice to really sink into the fish. Open it up and like get it into the get it to spice up the fish for you. This is so healthy if you're looking to stay healthy and in shape. Fall in love with fish. You want to go more for fish instead of meat, because meat contains a lot of it is like hard protein that your system is unable to break down at times. But this is very healthy protein. Plus most of the meat we eat these days are grown with hormones, like a lot of chemicals that I don't think meat is really healthy. For me, I go more for fish, and it is the best to go with your salad. And yeah, so this is it. This is what you want to do. I'll be baking the fish, or you can grill depending on what you're accessible to. You can grill or bake. So I'll just put it in here, and I'll set my oven to 200 because I want the fish to gradually bake, so it really really cooks and bakes the fish to taste really good, because I'm not marinating the fish. I'm just like putting it on that. So after like some time, you want to flip the sides of your fish so it cooks on both sides and comes out really crispy. So this is it. After you turn the sides, you can just leave it in your oven and start preparing your salad while the fish finish cooking. So you want to use lettuce, or you can use romaine, so any of the two. But for today, I'll be using lettuce for my salad. I'll be using lettuce. So this is lettuce. You want to get your lettuce sliced. I washed it already, but I will still wash and show you, because these fresh leaf, green leafy vegetables need to really be clean and clean and clean, because you don't want any chemicals in your system. So now I am washing with vinegar, because vinegar will kill any pesticides or any like chemicals that were used to spray. Even though this is organic, but I still wash my vegetables, whether organic or not organic. I wash with vinegar. So you want to keep it aside for like 10-15 minutes while you work on the other ingredients. And the second ingredient I'll be using will be cucumber. So I'll be using half a cucumber for my salad this afternoon. You want to slice up the shapes that you find comfortable. I just like to cut in two halves, and like this is okay for me, presentable, and can easily enter my mouth without being too big. Yeah, so you just need to slice into some sizes that you want depending on your shape. So I want to soak this in vinegar because it helps to soften the back, like that green back of the vinegar, that of the cucumber, that I don't want to peel. I want all the fiber and the benefits of the cucumber. So I'm putting in vinegar to thoroughly wash any possible sprays, or to even soften the cucumber so it is easy for me to consume and it doesn't feel so hard in the mouth. I'll be adding some onion. We all know onion helps to cleanse the system. Eating it raw in your salad like this is the best way you can eat your onion. Onion helps to absorb bacteria in your system, like it cleanses you. Onion is very good if you're looking to eat that diet that cleanses and heals your system. This salad recipe is so good because of the green leafy vegetables. So same as the other ingredients, I'll be adding in some vinegar here. This vinegar helps to soften this raw food, so when you're eating, they don't get so hard in your mouth. Like it softens them for you to just chew without feeling any. Yeah, so I'll be adding in some avocado in here. Avocado is healthy fats to help. As you can see, the other ingredients, the avocado will come in with that healthy fat to help you easily break down these other ingredients here. Plus healthy fats help you lose bad fats. Like this is the kind of healthy fats your system loves. So what I want to do is to take out the water from my uh, lettuce. So you want to get your lettuce clean thoroughly. You see the water is dripping. I've rinsed the onion as well. You want to rinse your cucumber, and these are the vegetables I'll be using for this salad. So I want to come up with my cream. If you know me so well, you know I love this lemon olive oil cream so badly, because I am running away from creamy dressings for my salad because they can rather help you gain a lot of weight. So these are 3 tablespoons of um, lemon juice, and I'll be adding 3 tablespoons of olive oil. So 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, you add in 3 tablespoons of olive oil. So you just want to measure your 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Olive oil is very good, very healthy for your body as well. Plus it easily breaks down as well, so you don't gain weight. So I'll be adding half a teaspoon of black pepper and a pinch of salt. So that is a pinch of salt I'm adding there. Depending on you, just add a little bit of salt, not too much, and the amount of black pepper you think you can accommodate. So depending on you, you can go more for black pepper or less, but it is just okay. It helps the salad taste so good. So these are my ingredients in my plate. I'm trying to come up with my salad, and yeah, so now I need my fish. So now my fish is ready. As you can see, it looks so crispy and so yummy. You can see it looks so nice, and trust me, this thing tastes so good, so good. So this is it. This is the end result. You just want to put your fish on your salad, and you add in your cream. So whatever cream you want to go for is fine for you, or dressing, sorry. Whatever salad dressing you want to go for is fine, but this is my one of my most favorite salad dressings I always go for, and it really tastes good in here. This will nourish your system with a lot of nutrients. You see all these green leafy vegetables, the lettuce. Cucumber is very good for detoxification. Avocado is healthy fats loaded with a lot of nutrients to nourish your system. Some fish is very healthy for you. Like this is very healthy. You want to have this as your lunch or dinner. Like this is the kind of healthy options you want to go for if you want to always stay healthy and looking good as well. So this is lunchtime. I am enjoying my salmon salad. It helps to cleanse you, nourish your system. Like I just wanted to share my recipe with you. If you want to see a complete video of what I eat for the day, leave me your comments below, and I will leave a video of my breakfast, lunch, and dinner, what I eat in the morning for breakfast, like my complete meal for the day, to help me stay healthy all the time and in shape as well. Just leave me your comments below, and I will just pop the video up for you. I hope someone finds this video helpful, and I know for sure you will try the recipe and come back and tell me how you feel about it, because trust me, it tastes so yummy. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and see you again in my next video. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and bye.